In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an email address in Freshdesk. We'll cover different scenarios, whether you're an agent needing to update your login details, working with a contact's email, or adjusting support configurations. So let's dive right in and ensure you're well equipped to handle each situation smoothly. First up, if you're an agent looking to change your own login email, there's an important detail to note. Agents are not able to directly change their own email addresses within Freshdesk. This task is reserved for administrators. So, if you find yourself needing to update your login email, the first step is to reach out to your administrator. Let them know about the change you wish to make, and they'll assist you in this process. It's a good idea to have the email address you'd like to switch to ready so you can communicate this information efficiently. Now, let's move on to changing a contact's email address within Freshdesk. Contacts, often being end users, require a simple yet guided approach to have their details updated. Suppose you're in a position to make these changes. Here's what you'll do. Start by logging into your Freshdesk account and navigate to the Contacts tab. Once there, you'll see a list of contacts. Find the specific contact whose email address you intend to change. Click on their name to open their profile. In their profile, you'll find the option to edit their information. Click on Edit, and you can now update the email address. After entering the new email, review to ensure there are no typographical errors, then hit Save to apply the changes. It's as straightforward as that. Informing the contact about this update is a courteous gesture, as they might need to check their inbox for any confirmation emails or notifications that might come from this change. Lastly, let's discuss how you would handle changes related to support emails in Freshdesk. Support emails are crucial as they are used to interact with customers on your platform. Changing them might be required based on various operational needs. Again, this is a task that often requires administrative access. Once you're ready, go to the Admin tab within Freshdesk. Within Settings, look for Email. Here, you'll find the list of current support emails in use. Select the specific support email you need to update. After clicking on it, you'll see an Edit option. Carefully input the new support email address and ensure all details are accurate before saving. It's vital also to test these changes by sending out a test email to verify that everything is working as expected and emails are successfully being received and sent from the updated address. That wraps up our guide on changing email addresses in Freshdesk. Whether you're dealing with your own login details, updating a contact's email, or modifying support emails, each process is straightforward once you know your way around. Remember to communicate effectively with your team and contacts to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.